The students, the real number part third, I am going to discuss about a topic, revisiting irrational number. Topic is revisiting irrational number. So revisiting why? Because in the previous class, previous class means in class 9, we have discussed about rational number and irrational numbers. And we have discussed about some examples also in this class, in that class. So that what is irrational? The number which is not in the form of a p by q, where p and q are integers, but q is not equal 0. So, which numbers are not in this condition, so they are called the irrational numbers. So, for example, root 2, root 3, root 5, all are irrational numbers like this way, root 2 plus 1, root 3 minus 1, or root 3 plus 1 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2, or 2 plus root 5, like this way. These are all the examples of irrational numbers. So, in general case, root p is an irrational where p and q, where p is a prime number. When p is a prime number, so root p is an irrational number. So, any prime numbers. So, just like 2, 3, 5 prime numbers. So, just like this way. So, root p is an irrational number when p is a prime number. So, if p be a prime number, p divides a square, then p also divide a. So, numerical proof we will take this numerical proof. How? Suppose 3 is a prime number and 3 divides 36, you know. P divides 36, which 36 is equal a square. So now root 36 we know 6. So now 3 also divides 6. So from this we came to know that here p is equal to 3, a square equal to 36, a is equal to 6. So if p divides a square and p also divides a, p is 3. If p divides a square, p also divides a. So it is the one theorem. So prove that root 2 is an irrational number. It is a very important question. Also you follow these rules or steps and try to practice. So let root 2 is a rational number. Means we assume that root 2 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, so according to the definition, root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime whose HCF is equal to 1. So for this condition, we have taken root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-primes. Every co-primes, the HCF is 1. So in which two numbers HCF is 1, so whose no factors except then 1. In which two numbers HCF is 1, so those numbers have no factors except then 1. So mind it. But in this answer you cannot write this. But I have given you for more confirmation. So in which two numbers HCF is 1, so these two numbers have no factors except then 1. So then you proceed the next step. So both sides you take the square. Root 2 square is equal to p by q square. So 2 is equal to p square by q square. So now after cross multiplication we got p square is equal to 2q square. So from this expression we get that a 2 divides p square, we see that a 2 divides p square. it also 2 also divides p. So according to that theorem, so for getting the value of q, we can take p is equal to 2r, another value, where r is an integer. So p is equal to 2r we take. So now p square is equal to 4r square. So p square is equal to 2q square, you know. So we compare this. 2q square is equal to 4r square. Q square is equal to 2r square. Thus, like this way, 2 divides q square and 2 divides q. So we prove that p and q have at least 2 as a common factor. We get that because 2 divide q square and 2 divides q and 2 divides p. So pq, at least we get 2 is a common factor. But this contradicts the fact that p and q have no common factors other than 1. We have contradicts the facts because we have taken that the p, q have no common factors than 1. But we see that p and q have more than 1 factors. At least we have already got 2. So due to this contradiction, our assumption is wrong. What was our assumption? By what we have assumed? So we have assumed that the root 2 is an irrational number which has only 1 is the factor. But here we prove that the pq has other factors except 1. So our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is an irrational number. So proved. So in this way, you can prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So when we have write 2 divides q square and 2 divides p. So in root 3 case, you will write that 3 divides p square and 3 divides p, and 3 divide q square and 3 divides q. So like this way, you will try to do root 3 is a irrational number.